Hello tie knot lovers, Mr. C's How to Tie a Tie. This one is called the Trinity Eldridge, or the Eldridge Trinity, whichever way around that you want to. So in the middle here we have our Trinity knot, and then we have the Eldridge cape bit that goes over the top. So this is what it looks like. Let's take it apart and let's get started. And with this one we're going to start off with the blade on the left hand side, tail on the right hand side. So our power pinch. So fold it in half and then fold it back on itself, and that'll form part of the dimple. And we're going to take our tail and we're going to go over the top, and we're going to go round the back and out to the right. We're then going to take the tail and we're going to thread it down through and come out on the right hand side. Then we're going to take it across the front. Across the front, and it's going to go round and up and through, and it's going to come down on the left hand side. What I'm then going to do is going to go round the back, and then with this one that we've made across the front, we're just going to open it up with our finger, and we're going to thread the tail up, and this forms the Trinity part of the knot. And that just that just tucks down the back. Okay, so there we have our Trinity knot, like so. And then all we're going to do is we're going to go round, so bring it up, back through, out to the right, and then we're just going to thread it through that loop that we just created, and then that should tuck underneath. And then we just fold our collar down. If you hear the beeping, that's because my tea is nearly ready. ECC is just doing their tea. And that's Lana just going past the background. Hello Lana. A little bit of adjusting. And there we have. So just trying to get the shirt right. Eldridge Trinity knot, or Trinity Eldridge knot, whichever way around that you want to. Thank you. If you like these tie knots, please like and subscribe, and thank you.